Hey fam, my name is Nattie. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and welcome to Nattie's Life for Real.
Okay, I am attempting to repaint, just refreshing up our mudroom. It's already painted white, so I did have leftover paint from when Alex did it. And this is my first time painting by myself. So what I did was, I had to remix back the paint, kind of mix it up because it's been sitting outside for a while. So I am using the Sherwin-Williams Masterpiece White, and I think it's semi-gloss. Okay, and make sure you put your paint on some kind of plastic or something to protect the floor. And I just pour a little bit into the tray. And let me get some roller. Ooh. Let me show you all the things that I purchased. I purchased this right here. It's called an edger. You can use it to paint when you're close to the baseboard so you don't touch the floor. I bought these roller sponge thing, but you got things pretty small. And I bought some paintbrush. And I have this old roller which I think I'm going to use. So let's see what happened. Okay. So I'm just pretty much, I'm going to try this and see what happened, okay? Let's see. No, I think it's the same white. JB gonna hurt me. Oh my gosh. Hold up, guys. Problem is, this is hard. That's the problem I'm having. I'm gonna change the roller pin. I think I just thought I'm gonna change it. Listen, I am no painter, you hear me? So I am no painter. It's not gonna fit. Let me see something. I'm gonna try with a brush and see. I might have to buy this is gonna be too big.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on.
Listen, painting is not my thing, but I'm happy that I tried it. And I think I'm okay just doing a little touch-up and things like that. So I'm back in the mudroom, and this is the shoe cubby that I'm definitely have to repaint. This is the thing that inspired me to like, this place has to be repainted. So I'm just going to touch it up. There goes the mess. But it was fun. It came out nice. It looks bright and white again, and that's all I wanted. So if you have small project that you guys want to attempt that doesn't require much, or if you guys enjoy painting, go ahead and just start the process. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Okay, here's the reveal. I'm done. I'm proud. I'm good. Came out exactly what I wanted to look like. I'm going to simple style up with a basket and a bench temporarily. I do want to find like a wooden bench or something of leather that can just be more sturdy. But for the time being, this work. Thanks for watching, guys. this cubby this way so we can just have the shoe thing and the bench all in one. I think that'd be really, really cool and be more functional for us as a family. I have this basket that I put some fresh lavender in, I guess dried lavender, and some dried pine cone that I have, just to kind of help keep, you know, the mudroom smelling really good, because I love pine cone. I just love it. So I wanted some for my seating in here, but you know, I'm not shopping right now. So I brought this bench in that I have, which I might have it, probably have JB, which is reupholster it, probably do something with the legs. And that'll be kind of nice, temporary seating in here until Alex do this. Remember the fun wallpaper that we had? And then the closet. So this is our closet, it's our cleaning closet. All this stuff is our overflow cleaning product that we have coming down. That's the bucket that if I'm gonna clean, I just take it and just clean what I need to clean, because everything is in there. And that spot right here with my vacuum, I'm cleaning upstairs right now. But that's it, you know, so I got everything kind of nicely grouped together, easy to reach, and everyone know where it is. And yeah. And if you notice at the bottom, Alex built those so you could put my boots in those, and the others is just for your regular shoe. We don't keep keys in here. We don't leave no keys in our mudroom, just for safety reason. We just keep them somewhere else. So this space is always empty, and that's fine. Sometimes I put like my little, you know, a purse or something up here. We have the hooks up here for coats and things like that. And yeah, that's our mudroom.